straight down to business. If I can get the crowd to help a man count them down, we gonna do it NWA, SAW style. It's time for some Nitros Noise. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Wow. This is Big Nitros. This is the Nitros Noise. But before I get started, there's only one thing left to do. Sawmill. I can't hear you. Make some noise. Everybody's seen it. Live on Facebook all week. It's been tweeted. It's been right here in the mill, building and building. And tonight, I'm going to get down to the bottom of it. The main event, Chris Michaels, Hot Rod Biggs. Tonight in the Nitros Noise, bring me Hot Rod Biggs. Wow. Hot Rod Biggs. Man, this has been building. And this has been building. And I'm going to jump straight down to business with you, brother. I got 101 questions.
I don't care what you had to say to me, Nick Nitros. As far as I'm concerned, you can take these letters, pal, and turn them sideways, and they look like the Z because you and that mouth puts all these damn rednecks to sleep in the first place. Now, because I am Hot Rod Biggs, and I am the man who tells not only you what to do, but each and every one of you good-for-nothing pieces of trash what to do, I'm about to tell somebody else what to do. Tony Falk, you get your ass out here, punk. And Nick Nitros, hey, you ain't in it. Last I heard, pal, you're going to be the special referee. You think that you're going to get my way, pal? Hey, Google search me, baby. I ain't no joke. I ain't a joke, baby. I'm not here to play games. Tony Falk, get your ass in here. You heard me. First of all, man, don't you look at me and play stupid, pal. Do you know who you're talking to? These idiots know who you're talking to. You're talking to the hypnotic, chaotic, neurotic, and there's a reason they call me certifiably psychotic, Mr. Falk. You're going to assign this punk to a match. And now I hear that if I lose this match, I can't be in the sawmill for the period of 1 year. Are you kidding me, pal? Are you? You better hold on, man. I don't know what's your problem tonight. You haven't even got to that match yet. I'm telling you, Pally, you better calm down. Ladies and gentlemen of the sawmill, come here, Nick. Hold this mic and do what you're supposed to do. Let me tell you something. It's not hearsay. You have ran your mouth long enough. It's time to back up what you've been talking about doing. It's time to back it up. Tonight, if you cannot beat Chris Michaels inside this ring, you will not wrestle in the sawmill for 1 year, Polly. You better read the fine print with the NWA song, Pally, and it says I can book the match. matches around here. You're not the matchmaker. We have the people right here in the sawmill, and we signed you to it. So get pumped up, do whatever you have to do. But when you get in this ring with Chris Michaels, you got a chance to prove to all the good fans and all the fans out there in the television viewing audience that you got what it takes to be a winner. You've proved to us what you can do.
I ain't gotta prove nothing, pal, because every one of these good-for-nothing people, they know, baby, Hot Rod Biggs, affiliated, related, and always associated with the absolute greatest, Nick Nitros, when I get Chris Michaels in this ring. If you don't call this match right down, shut up! If you don't call this match, baby, if you don't get your ass on the mat and count 1, 2, 3 and raise my hand, then you are gonna have more to worry about than you, Mr. Headliner. Chris Michaels, you're about to see psychoticism unleashed, baby. No disqualification. Anything goes. Hot Rod Biggs is gonna show you why I am the greatest